Welcome to Zona Crack Repair's Tech Car Review. Today, we're exploring Kia's bold step into the future of electric SUVs. The Kia EV9 2024, known for pushing the boundaries of design and technology, Kia has created an SUV that's as impressive as it is eco-friendly. The EV9 represents a new era for Kia, combining sustainability with spaciousness and cutting-edge technology. The 2024 Kia EV9 stands out with a muscular yet refined exterior. Kia designed the EV9 to appeal to families and adventure seekers alike, with an estimated starting price of around $55,000 in the US. With sharp lines, distinctive LED lighting, and a bold front fascia, the EV9 looks like it's ready to tackle both urban and rugged landscapes. Its futuristic appearance isn't just for show. It's backed by Kia's commitment to electrification and efficiency. Powering the EV9 is a robust electric motor setup. Depending on the trim, drivers can choose between a standard single-motor rear-wheel drive variant with around 201 horsepower or a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant that boosts output to 379 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. The all-wheel drive option promises excellent handling and acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds, while the single-motor variant focuses on efficiency. The EV9's battery range is equally impressive, offering up to 300 miles on a full charge, making it perfect for long trips or daily commuting. The interior of the EV9 showcases Kia's dedication to luxury and practicality. It seats up to 7 passengers comfortably, making it a family-friendly SUV without compromising on style. The cabin is crafted from eco-friendly materials and features a minimalist yet premium design, centered around a 12.3-inch infotainment display and an additional 5-inch screen for climate control. The EV9 keeps everything at your fingertips. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced sound system make every drive engaging and connected. The Kia EV9 comes in multiple trims to suit a range of preferences and budgets. The light trim offers essential features, making it an accessible entry into the electric SUV segment. For those wanting more luxury, the Wind trim adds upgraded interior materials and advanced driver assistance features. The Land trim takes things further with premium leather, a surround view camera, and additional safety options, while the GT line trim offers sporty styling, unique exterior accents, and an adaptive suspension for a sportier driving experience. Each trim is crafted to offer a unique blend of performance and luxury. Kia places a strong emphasis on safety in the EV9, equipped with Kia's latest DriveWise technology suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and advanced autonomous emergency braking. The EV9 is also committed to a greener future, designed with sustainable materials and operating with zero emissions. With its powerful performance, impressive range, and advanced safety features, the EV9 is setting a new standard for electric SUVs, positioning itself as an ideal choice for families and environmentally conscious drivers. In conclusion, the 2024 Kia EV9 offers everything you'd expect from a modern electric SUV: style, performance, safety, and sustainability. With its impressive features and versatile trims, it's easy to see why the EV9 is quickly becoming a top choice for those wanting to make the switch to electric. Thank you for tuning into Zona Crack Repair's review.